Hello everyone. Today we have a question that most people hurry to solve, and because of that, they usually make some mistake. Before we solve it correctly, let's first see that what mistake most people make. Okay, so most people solve this question like 2 plus 1 9 divide 3, then 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, then 3 multiply 3. So 9 divide 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. Okay, then 9 divide 9 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. Okay, this answer is wrong. So let's solve this question step by step correctly by using the PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS multiplication and division have same priority, addition and subtraction have also same priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first P is equal to parenthesis, E is equal to exponent, M is equal to multiplication, D is equal to division, A is equal to addition, and S is equal to subtraction. So first priority is parenthesis, means 2 plus 1. Therefore, 9 divide 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, multiplication and division have same priority. Therefore, we have to solve from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this part. So 9 divided 3 is equal to 3, multiply 3. Therefore 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. So our correct answer by using the rule is 9. Okay. If your answer also is also correct, then let me know in comment section. And for more video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.